Good evening, Team Genesis and guests. My name is Klaus Urbanek, and I am an Executive Vice President here at CTFO. Some of you already know me. However, since our Wednesday night presentations are mainly for our new associates and guests who may not know me yet, and it's the last Team Genesis Wednesday night presentation in 2019, I thought I'd do it a little bit different. As a successful network marketing professional and entrepreneur for many years, I've seen it all if it comes to MLM, direct sales, or home-based businesses. I consider myself an average person. Nothing special here, just a hardworking guy with dreams and a big why. Now, what I have is experience, drive, and the passion to help and see others succeed. One of my favorite quotes is from Zig Ziglar. If you help enough other people to get what they want, you get everything you want. I'm persistent in what I do, and I'm very stubborn as well. So if I really want something, and to be honest, not all, but most of the time, I don't quit until I get it. I can also tell you, we have heard so many great and amazing testimonials throughout 2019 and before, and even some unbelievable CBD stories from our direct customers and associates. Just check out our CTFO testimonial Facebook group. It will blow you away. For myself, I don't really have a life-changing product story, and I'm grateful for that. And you don't need one to build a successful residual business and future with CTFO. Having said that, I'm so glad that Jeanette Larson, my enroller, followed up with me when she did. So I enrolled, and I would not be here without her. Now, I'm blessed with good health, and I don't really have any health challenges that bother me. I don't take any medications, and I don't really have any pain or inflammation, thank God. However, when I was in my early 20s, I heard a quote from Hippocrates that I liked. And it goes something like this: let your food be your medicine and not your medicine be your food. I like that. As I remember a lot of people I knew back then taking all kinds of medication, and I believe today it's even worse. Because the other day I've talked to a doctor I know, and he told me about a statistic that today the 60-year and older generation takes on average 14 different medications daily. Wow, I think that's crazy. My belief is, why taking synthetic medications and pills if you could try a natural alternative risk-free? If it doesn't work out for you, no problem, send it back, and then you can go back to those meds you took before, right? You have nothing to lose, but everything to gain if you try our products. We proved their effectiveness already. Now, when I heard that about Hippocrates, I almost immediately started to take natural vitamins and minerals. And later in life, I added other important nutritional products to my daily regimen, as I didn't want to take any medications when I get older. And guess what? This was just about 40 years ago. Today, potential prospects tell me all the time, Klaus, if I get a benefit from your CBD products, I will promote it. Well, if that would be me, I would have never gotten involved in CTFO. So don't be one of those home-based business seekers. When I saw what I saw with CTFO and CBD, I made a conscious decision to get in as the timing was right for me. I started with a plan of action and treated CTFO as a business, just like I would treat any other traditional business elsewhere. Take the leap of faith, as I did, because I know our business has a special window of opportunity where growth will be extraordinary over the next 2 to 4 years, meaning what you do in this time frame will determine the financial success that you will enjoy in the future. So my response for those prospects that only want to promote a product if they get a benefit from it, if you have any intention to build a business here at CTFO, don't wait. Start to share while you try our CBD products, and believe me, CTFO has some amazing products that even you will enjoy using. Besides, think about it, guys. Doctors don't really try all the medications they prescribe either, right? Guys, timing is here of essence. The longer you wait to get started in your new CTFO business, the more people that you know and like to work with may already have signed up with someone else. Having said all this, to let you know, my favorite products that I take are Super 7, CBD Oil, 10X Pure 500. I love the gummies, the 10X Pure Ultimate Multivitamin and Mineral Supplement, and the sleep spray, as I like the taste. And lately, because I'm a coffee drinker, I use the Keto Creamer in my coffee. I have been promoting health and wellness products in network marketing for 30 years now. And I have been taking many of them as prevention, including our CBD products. However, I think of these CBD products as my everyday health and wellness insurance. And believe me, they work. I know and believe our CBD products will help millions of people out there, and are those people that are in pain and looking for relief and natural products for the health challenges. If you do the work, if we do the work and share what we know and have, we can reach that goal. I don't know about you, but for myself, I want to take a natural alternative to meds to prevent me from getting any pain or inflammation in the first place. And there are a ton of people out there thinking just like that, just like me, prevention. We don't need to prove to prospects or customers that our products work. We already have over, thousands of incredible testimonials. We give a 60-day, 100% money back guarantee, and our return rate is well under 1%. And that is unheard of. Now, the testimonials in CTFO we are hearing about, and that I believe in, packaged in a lucrative business model, as we have here in CTFO, is all I needed to join. And it's all I need to continue to build and grow a distribution network, moving us into 2020 and beyond. Now, let me share with you a brief CTFO business overview to get you even more excited about our opportunity. I get a lot of home-based business offers in my email inbox every week, every day, oftentimes. And from my experience, I can tell you, there is not much opportunity out there today that I believe is attractive to the masses if it comes to a low or no risk, unique, lucrative business with a product line that has mass appeal and is second to none for the whole family and even our pets. CTFO will be epic in 2020. That I can tell you. Now, here are my 5 reasons why anyone wants to look at CTFO and why I joined Jeanette Larson almost 2 years ago. Number 1, CTFO is a free business to start. It's a 24/7 virtual storefront that you can, may, and want to promote any which way you like, and the possibilities are endless. If you register for free and you do nothing, you most likely will earn nothing. That's a fact. Same with any other traditional store or business. If you have no customers that purchase anything from your store, you have no sales, just overhead. And you are faster out of business before you are really in it. So products need to be moved one way or another. CTFO, on the other hand, is your free consumer direct referral business that anyone can share and promote. So you want to focus on attracting like-minded people that share our products, share our opportunity, and teach those that are willing, passionate, and driven to do the same. All this doesn't cost us a dime other than some time, and you can start earning today. We have, however, different levels of participation. You can find out about the details from your inviter or sponsor. Number 2, our brilliant compensation plan is partially copyrighted, and I understand it doesn't really mean anything for our guests and new associates yet. But let me be clear, For me, as a network marketing professional, I wanted to know if anyone with passion and the right attitude for our products and business model can make a nice residual income in CTFO and not just the experienced networkers. Well, the answer is yes. CTFO's compensation plan, guys, is created to allow not only the professional networker to make a residual income, but also the newcomer in our profession. Assuming, of course, you are teachable and you can follow directions. As I like to put it, a clean-cut compensation plan. There are no hoops to jump through, no legs to balance, no increasing personal volume requirements, no front loading of inventory, no forced ordership. Even the ordership is the first step to automate your CTFO business, right? So I will always encourage new associates to go on ordership, but it's not mandatory. And as I mentioned earlier, no barriers to entry, as anyone can join here for free. Now, if you want to grow your business fast, I mean really fast, we recently added a fast start bonus program to our compensation plan that if you choose to participate in it, you can earn an extra bonus anywhere from $25 to $400 per sale. Wow, I love that. Now, our compensation plan also offers you unique profit-sharing positions that you want to learn more about. It's all on your website, or you can, again, check with your enroller. Number 3, CTFO is a product-centric company with 80 plus of the highest quality CBD, non-CBD, and wellness products in nutritional care, anti-aging, skincare, keto-friendly, meal replacement shakes, yummy, weight loss, and pet care categories. Now, our products are manufactured in the US. We all know that. Made from organically grown hemp and are easy to purchase, as they are all available in your 24/7 online storefront that CTFO will provide to you, again, at no cost when you sign up to become an associate. They are priced right and, very important, attractive for the masses. GMP certified and drop shipped directly to your customer's home in your behalf. And not to forget, we offer you a 60 to 100% empty bottle money back guarantee. Number 4, our patented 10x Pure technology, which is exclusive to CTFO and according to corporate executives, will give us at least 3-year advantage over other CBD oil companies. That's good to know. So, what do you think makes our patented 10x Pure delivery system so powerful? Let me tell you. It makes our CBD oil hydrophilic and can therefore penetrate a water barrier. This is because water and compounds that water dissolves in are hydrophilic, while oil and compounds that mix well with oil are hydrophobic, meaning water resistant. Now, knowing that our body consists of about 75% water, can you imagine what the CBD product can do if it has a strong affinity for water? People would say, priceless, Klaus. Well, it sure is. And the creator of our 10x Pure says that the bioavailability of our full spectrum CBD oil supercharged with our patented 10x Pure delivery system is up to 10 times more effective than the full spectrum CBD oil without it. Now, that's a powerful statement, indeed. And on your personal CTFO marketing website, you will find independently conducted studies that prove our hydrophilic CBD oil is superior to any other CBD oil anywhere. And just recently, we introduced our first doctor-formulated 10x Pure Ultimate Multivitamin and Mineral Supplement. They come as liquid soft gels. That's great. If you take a multivitamin right now, you definitely want to try ours. You get them as an associate for under $50 from your own online store. Now, that product alone is $1 billion brand. There's no other product out there today that comes close to it if you factor in the much higher bioavailability. Now, There's also a lot of talk, we all know, out there about CBD, right? However, to give you another example of how CTFO sets us apart from other companies and is setting the standard in this industry, go check it out online. Research has proven that CBDA, and that's the acid form of CBD, is even more effective than CBD itself if it comes to health challenges and other pain relief, etc., etc. As it was not possible until now to stabilize the CBDA, as heat in any form makes it into CBD again. However, scientists have discovered that our patented 10x Pure technology stabilizes the CBDA in the manufacturing process. That's the reason why our 10x Pure Gold Super 1000 Extra Strength Relief product we introduced a few months ago has up to 600 times more CBDA in the bottle than any other CBD product we know of. And that's on the market today. Just Google CBD versus CBDA. Now, that is also amazingly powerful. Find out more about the CBDA product on your website. And finally, number 5, as an associate, you will enjoy many tax savings for starting a home-based business, period. Since all states are different, there's no reason to go into more details here. Just talk with your tax advisors. You will love what you hear. I know of people that just because of getting involved part-time in a home-based business, while working in a regular job or traditional business, their tax savings were anywhere from $4,000 to $8,000 a year. Think about it. Now, since I will do a complete PowerPoint training on goal setting this coming Saturday, the 21st, I want to touch on it a little today to get you into the right mindset, to take some time out of your busy schedule for the rest of this year to work on your future goals. If you haven't already, just do it so you are ready when 2020 hits. Regardless if it's a weight loss, health, wellness, or business goal, create the life you want to live. Be ready. Whatever it is, your goal can be reached, and there's a way to do it. You must be ready and decide you're going to do it. You can't bypass this important first step, guys. There are challenges on the way. You know that. You've overcome challenges before in life and your business, and you can do it again. Now is the time to engage and press forward in your desire to reach your goals. Decide to do it and make the commitment. Take the necessary actions over and over. Accountability is part of it. And the reason we will do and start a 90-day blitz on January 6th. We had an amazing training this last Saturday with Hannah Benson. Go back, watch it. If you realize your approach isn't working, adjust it and improve it until you begin to make some progress. This is how you learn experience in our industry. Then be grateful for what you have achieved and learned, and use what you have learned to teach others. Guys, be sure to choose a goal that is truly yours. It doesn't matter if it's executive manager that you want to reach, VP or executive VP or even Top Gun. However, in my experience, the more ambitious, the more financially successful you will become. But making your goal meaningful is what makes it reachable. I will talk about that in detail on our Saturday training. Now, I always said, learn from those who are already there where you be in CTFO. And creating anything of value takes a lot of good heart and solid work. Always ask yourself, what options do you have in life? And do you have a backup in place? For the guests listening here in today, make CTFO your backup, as it may very quickly become your number one income source. Now, guys, I have built over the past 3 decades 4 million or multi-million-dollar network marketing businesses overseas and here in the US, and CTFO is one of them, which gives me a ton of experience. I'm not sharing this with you to impress you, heck no, but to impress upon you, as I know and have learned the realities before success in our profession. And I believe it wasn't always easy or straightforward to reach financial independence and success in my network marketing career. Of course not. I could have quit every one of those previous MLM businesses long time before I reached the success that I enjoy today. However, I didn't quit because quitting or giving up was not an option, regardless of the circumstances. I learned over time that obstacles are built in every opportunity. We must be willing to work through them to succeed. I have worked through a lot of those obstacles. Because every business, one day or another, runs into some challenges. Just learn how to be flexible, be proactive, and surround yourself with successful people. Because CTFO is not a job, it's a business. And our description is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, share the products with prospects you know or don't know. Step 2, share the business with business-minded contacts. And step 3, teach personally enrolled associates step 1 and 2. Once you have made the conscious decision to start your new CTFO business and you start building your teams, these 3 steps are basically all we do. The key to achieving your dream life in network marketing is simply to take action. At least that's what successful leaders do. You know, most people in network marketing will never take the leap and go full-time, and that's okay. They can't imagine leaving their comfortable full-time job they really hate because they never sit down and do the math. They never realize that it will take, maybe 25 or even 30 to double the income in their job. And they don't understand that an opportunity like CTFO could cut the time down by 80 or even 90%. That's why CTFO was created, so we can start our own no-risk, home-based business part-time versus looking for a second job. Now in closing, guys, my conclusion for our CTFO opportunity is, if you want to be successful in any business, you want to promote a unique, consumable, and exclusive product line that everyone wants and needs, we got it. You want to be able and know that you can expand your business beyond your local market and be able to build it nationally and maybe even globally, we got it. You want a business that is lucrative and simple at the same time, and that could be the answer to your economy. We got it. And for sure, you want a solution to help others that are looking right now for a way out or plan B in life. Keep in mind, every second person in the US is looking at any given time for another income stream. Why, you may ask yourself? Because they don't make it with one income. Find out who they are and sign them up. It's free to get in. I can tell you here, CTFO has it all laid out for us. I believe CTFO has a bright future ahead of us. I wouldn't be here otherwise. And those of us that continue to share, build, teach, and grow will reap the long-term rewards. Join us and enjoy the journey and delight in reaching your life's and business destination. For our guests listening in, I can only encourage you to go back to the person that invited you to listen to this presentation. Get your free business registered, get started today, and make 2020 your year full of abundance and success. Guys, we see you all on our Saturday training. Team emails will go out tomorrow or Friday. Merry Christmas, God bless, and have a successful new year.